Okay, so contacts are currently open and the spring is discharged, so we're going to charge it up. We are ready and charged, so we can close. Contacts are now closed. Unable to rack it out because we are still closed, so we need to open. And then we can push that up and pull this out. So the indication on the left, keep an eye on that. As we rack it out, it will go from test position to disconnect position. And then we can pull the unit out. To rack it back in, same again. And we'll notice it goes hard as the contacts are made. And we are in connection. To push this back, we need to move the yellow lever. Push that in. There is also a padlock safety feature.